Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to generate GitHub Access Token. So if you need a GitHub Personal Access Token for Git operators, so if you need a GitHub Personal Access Token for Git operations, APIs, or third-party apps, follow these steps. So open GitHub and sign into your GitHub account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. So once you click Settings, on the left side, scroll down and click Developer Settings. So it's at the very bottom, click on that. Next, so once you click Developer Settings, so here at the bottom, select Personal Access Tokens. So once you click Personal Access Tokens, so here you have two choices. You have fine-grained tokens. So this is more secure, repository-specific access. Then you have tokens, which is classic, for a classic personal access token. So choose what you prefer. So once you click that, click Generate New Token. Next, so here, give your token a descriptive name. Then down here, you can type in your description. Then here you have resource owner. So you may only select resource owners with fine-grained paths enabled. Next, you have expiration. So set an expiration date based on how long you need the token.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Next, select the permissions. You have public, all, or only select repositories. So choose one, then scroll down and click Generate Token. So once generated, copy the token immediately and store it in a secure location. So GitHub only displays the token once. So never share your access token or commit it to a public repository. If you suspect the token has been exposed, revoke it immediately and generate a new one. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.